I guess my question is, why wouldn't you? Cornus Kousa, Chinese or Japanese dogwood, whatever your preference is. This is summer fun. Variegation on this tree is just outstanding. You get the normal Kousa flower on it. There's a flower. And they can be born profusely enough to be quite showy. But let's face it, I mean, the star here is the foliage. I mean, it's just outstanding. So you have Cornus Kousa Summer Fun. You have Samaritan. There are several variegated Kousa dogwoods, but this one, yeah, Summer Fun. The variegation, I think, is actually probably the best. And let's face it, even when this plant's not in bloom, the foliage really merits your attention in the landscape. Probably 18 to 20 foot tree in a landscape, small ornamental tree. You will eventually get exfoliating bark on it. Fall color is probably a pinkish rose color. You do get that fruit on it that the birds will eat. And there truly aren't very many issues relative to disease or insect on this plant. Truly pops, and it pops from the time it leaves out till the time it loses its foliage in the fall. And if you have it long enough, you'll probably get exfoliating bark on it, which is pretty. This Cornus Kousa Summer Fun, and again, probably about 18, 20 feet, maybe 10 to 12 feet wide. Well, this one's approaching that already. And full sun, partial sun, and really put it somewhere where you want your eye to be drawn in the landscape. So this is Cornus Kousa Summer Fun. If you're looking for a plant to make a statement even when not in bloom, this is one I would really consider.